Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. Right, what we are going to learn in today's video. In this video, we are going to learn something about Python. So, what's that? We will learn today list comprehension. Right, so let's start. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Okay, so for example, we have a list and based on that we want to make another list. So there can be multiple ways for that, but comprehension says we want to offer a method which is very simple and shorter in syntax. Right, so let's look at this example. Based on the list of fruits, here we have a list called fruits. You want a new list containing only the fruits with the letter A in the name. Without list comprehension, you will have to write a for statement with the conditional test inside. So this will be our normal way. If we want to do what? If we want to do this operation with for loop, we will have to write how many lines? 1, 2, 3. And then we check the new list and then we have the output. So what we are going here, we have a list called fruits with apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. 5 items, and we want a new list which contains the fruit names which have the alphabet or character A in them. So apple has A, banana has A, cherry doesn't have, kiwi doesn't have, and the mango does have one character A in it. Okay, so right, so this is the way to do it. We were writing, so let's try this in our prompt. Let's copy this list so that we don't have to type too much. Okay, that's my prompt, and edit, paste, and my list is there. If I print this list, I have 5 characters in it. Now I want to make a new list which is empty now, and I will say f for x in fruits if A in X. Right, if A in X, do what? New list dot append X. Okay, that's it. And now we print new list. See the same output which we seen before. Apple, banana, mango. For loop has gone through all elements in first list, and if there was A in that element has been appended to the new list, and we printed the new list. We have 3 items in it. Okay, that's right. So this was the procedure to, you can say, make a new list based on an old list with some values in that, and transfer the values from old list to new list based on certain conditions, right? Okay, so now we're gonna see what is list comprehension. So rather than using a lengthy method, we gonna see a shorter method. Okay, what is that? Here you see we have fruits, same old list. Now we're saying, rather than writing the lengthy statements, we're saying new list is equal to x for x in fruits if A in X. Very interesting. It means we have to put value here x for in fruits. So we will be looping through all items with the condition that if A in X, if A is there in every value, so these values will be inserted in this new list, and when we print it, it's like this. Let's try. Okay, we will say fruits is already there. Let's check it if it's there. Nothing. Okay, it's there. Then we say new list is equal to, yeah, x for x in its if a in x. Yeah, like this. Okay, this has been executed. Now we print new list. Now we have again the same output, but you have seen before we had to write these lines for loop with condition if inside and then use append method. But now we just written one statement, x for x in fruits if a in x. Wow. So now we have the same result. So this thing is called comprehension. Okay. Now we see what is Scientix of this comprehension. It says new list is equal to expression for item in iterable if condition is true. That is the syntax of what? Comprehension. Keep remember this. The return value is a new list, leaving the old list unchanged. Interesting. So now we look at these different parts of this syntax one by one. Let's look at the condition first. This condition. Condition is like a filter that only accept items that evaluate to true. Okay. So here we say if x for x in fruits if x not equal to apple, right? So in this list we are making a new list if, and we are excluding apple because we are saying x for x in fruits if x not equal to apple. So we will take any value which is not equal to apple. So we have taken banana, cherry, kiwi and mango, and when we have this output it says like banana, cherry, kiwi, mango. Okay, so this is condition, right? And then we have the condition is x not equal to apple will return true for all elements other than apple, making the new list contain all fruit except apple. The condition is optional and can be omitted. Okay, it's not like mandatory. Next we have with the no if statement, it looks like this, x for x in fruits. Yeah, what will happen, it will copy all items in the new list, like we have 5 there and we have 5 in new list. That's right. Next item, next part of the syntax is iterable. Okay, what is iterable? Can be any iterable object like a list, tuple, set, etc. It means this comprehension can be applied to other iterables as well, like tuple, set, etc. We will see it later. So we have this example here. You can say use the arrange function to create an iterable. So we say new list is equal to x for x in range 10. Okay, so here this method range 10 is working as an iterable, and range produces values, you know what, like 0 to 9 when we have range 10. So our new list contains value 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, now we do with condition. We are saying accept only numbers lower than 5. So after our iterable we are putting condition if x is less than 5. So we will have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Next let's look at the first part, which is expression. So what is expression? Expression is the current item in the iteration, but it is also the outcome which you can manipulate before it ends up like a list item in the new list. So whatever this part is called expression in this syntax of comprehension, and this item before it becomes part of the new list we can perform some operation on it, we can manipulate it, right? So here, what manipulation we are doing in this example, we are converting the fruit names to uppercase. Okay, so let's try this ourselves. Okay, we have our old list, okay, fruits, which has 5 names, and we say new list is equal to x dot upper for x in fruits. Okay, now print new list. See, every fruit name in old list is converted to capital letters, and then it becomes part of the new list. Okay, so it means before this x or expression makes the items taken from fruit list part of new list, they are converted to uppercase letters. Right, now you know you can set the outcome to whatever you like. Even for example, here new list is equal to hello for x in fruit. So here whatever is coming back from the old list, which is fruits, we are not using that value, rather we are using a new word hello for every item. So if we do this, what will happen? See here, new list is equal to maybe I can write my name for x in fruits. Okay, and print, guess what will be the answer? Oh, sorry, print new list. See, old list had 5 fruit names, but they've been replaced with my name in the new list. Okay, so this is, you can also do with this expression. Expression can also contain condition, but not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. Okay, for example, we have an example here. What we are going to do in the expression part, x if x not equal to banana, okay, else orange for x in fruit. So for x in fruit will return us a value from our fruits list, and we will see if it is not banana, then we use it, or if it's banana we will change it to orange. Okay, see here what will be the output then. Banana is replaced with orange in this output. Okay, so it means we can use if conditions in the expression as well, so that the outcome or resultant values from this for loop are manipulated or changed, or even some conditions are applied on them. Right, so the expression in the example above says return the item if it is not banana, if it is banana return orange. Okay, I will wrap up my video here. Today's video was quite interesting. We learned a lot of new concepts, and I really enjoyed teaching this video. This you can say concept. So what did we learn? Just do a short recap. We have learned comprehension and different parts of it, which were iterable, and then we learned the expression and condition, and before that we saw if we don't use comprehension, then what is the method to copy elements from one list to other list, or we can say create a new list based on values from an old or list. Right, so I hope this video has been informative for you. You enjoyed with me, and let me know in the comments what are your views, and if it was useful for you, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe my channel. I'll be back with another video very soon. By the time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.